Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and today I want to show you all this 1921 Morgan dollar. The Morgan dollar is a United States silver coin valued at $1 American, but it is made with 90% silver, 0.77 ounces of silver to be exact. In today's value, that makes this $1 coin worth at least $11 in silver weight. Pretty cool. These coins were made between, 1878 and 1904, and they reminted it one more time in 1921. So yeah, these coins are by no means rare. You can find them very easily, especially the 1921. A lot of these are made. I think over 40 million of them. Just wanted to show it off, front and back. Let's see. So yeah, pretty interesting story. It's called the Morgan dollar because of the designer who made it. His name was George T. Morgan. He used a profile of a real woman. Let's see, her name was Anna Williams, and she was reluctant. She didn't want to do the profile for the dollar, but Morgan, he was so happy with her profile, and he called it the best profile he had ever seen, that she reluctantly sat through 5 sittings to get it right. And she did it under the condition of anonymity. So she wanted no one to know who she was. But shortly after the coin was first minted, everyone knew who she was. So she kind of had to hide away from, I guess, the 1800s version of paparazzi. She got a lot of fan mail. She just couldn't live her life the way she wanted to. So she kind of backed out of the limelight as best as she could. Even though she got deals, she got offered deals to be an actress and stuff, but she just didn't want that life, and that was the condition of her doing the coin, but it didn't work out that way. So yeah, so that's the Morgan dollar. She's wearing a cap there. There's like wheat and corn above the Liberty symbol there, representing American industries at the time, the agricultural industries. This was one of the first times Lady Liberty was depicted as an American and not like a Greek or kind of an old civilization influence. So this was a pretty cool design. Has a couple stars at the bottom there, little 6-pointed stars. Looks good. It reminds me of the Statue of Liberty. E pluribus unum. The edge is reeded. And the eagle. Symmetrical eagle right there. I find the eagles in the old coins to be so ugly. They look so much better now. But hey, this is what we had. In God we trust, the United States of America, $1. And what I really like about the eagles in like American coinage or insignia is the olive branch and the arrows. You've seen something like this in many places in American institutions, but you've seen this on the dollar. The eagle holding the olive branch and the arrows. And just a fun fact for anyone who doesn't know, the reason why the eagle holds the olive branch and the arrows is because we are a country at peace, hence the olive branch, but we're always prepared for war. And that's why we always have the arrow as well. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm looking out for a Morgan dollar from the 1800s because I really just want a really old coin made with silver. So I'm going to try and do a trade with someone. I'm just going to see if I can just dump a bunch of silver on his lap and it'll get me something from the 1880s. That'd be dope. Alright guys, I'm Southside Stacker. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. If you've seen this before, what years you have, that'd be really cool to see if you guys have any of the older years. And yeah, also my email, southsidestacker@gmail.com, if you want to contact me with any questions or any cool hot leads on some cheap silver. And Instagram, Southside Stacker. You can let me know what's going on. Follow me there, contact me, send me some cool stuff. So yeah, see you all in the next video. Talk to me, I'm lonely, I really want your love. talk to me. I'm lonely. I really want your love. Oh, baby, baby, talk to me. I'm lonely. So send me all your love. Email me or DM me and send me all your love.